Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the municipality of Portmore. We are on George Lee Boulevard heading towards the Portmore Mall. Now this road is named after the former mayor of Portmore, George Lee. It runs from Port Henderson Road all the way back up to the Portmore Mall and Dawkins Drive. It actually takes you all the way up to Independence City, that area. It's one of the main roads in Portmore. You have George Lee Boulevard on this side, and then you have the Municipal Boulevard on the other side. They run parallel to each other. Alright, we'll slow down so you guys can get a better view. So Portmore has a lot of residential homes, a lot of communities like Edgewater, Bridgeport, very popular neighborhoods in Jamaica. So that's Edgewater on the right. Now we're now coming up to the largest mall in Portmore, which is the Portmore Mall. And up here you're also going to find Mega Mart. And recently Price Mart opened in Portmore, so that will give you an idea of just how large the population is, because you have some of the largest retail stores in Jamaica located in Portmore. So that's Mega Mart on the right. You can see a lot of residential homes on the left, more commercial buildings on the right. On the right is the Portmore Community College. On the left is Passage Fort, on the right is Portsmouth. Okay, so at this intersection now you turn left, you go head down to Independence City, you turn right, that road takes you to Dyke Road, which you can use to access the highway. So this is a Waterford area now. It's the Portmore fire station on the left. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.